Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can manage who can post on your Facebook profile. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Facebook application on my phone, and the first thing we have to do is clicking on this button. Then you can select settings and privacy. You have to scroll your screen like this until you find settings and privacy. Then you can tap on it, and after that you can click on settings option. Then you are going to scroll down until you find profile and tagging. So this is the profile and tagging option. Click on it. Then you can manage who can post on your profile right here. And as you can see that who can post on my profile is my friends. And then I'm going to change it. I'm going to change only me. So my friend cannot post on my profile. Alright guys, and that's how we can manage who can post on our Instagram profile. On our Facebook profile. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.